So this is January 2nd, and this is how I feel. I should have a unlimitless energy for this year coming back into it, and coming home from my holiday trip, I'm just not feeling it. I'm just drained at this point. But I quit one of my jobs, so now I'm only working 2. Okay, I'm quickly going to be doing 5 things that you need to bring when you travel. These are just my suggestions, but hey, what can I say? They are going to be more catered towards the filmmaker photographers, of the travel buggers, but even if you aren't, here are 5 things you need to take with you when you travel. All right, number 1, let's not be dumb. You need a smartphone, okay? This thing's got GPS. This thing, you can have your apps on it, all your navigational systems, music. This is like the most essential thing. You can even have your wallet downloaded on here. I don't suggest it, but you can. You can have credit cards and everything else on here. So this is also a wallet. Number 2 for me is a camera. This is a small point and shoot camera. This is a Canon G7X Mark II, might I add. This has honestly been my travel camera for a while until I upgraded to some of these bigger cameras, but a literal small lightweight pocket camera is perfect for adventures, traveling, on the road, anything like that. Following in the camera suit, a waterproof camera. I have my Insta360 Go S, 3S, and it is something I can have while I am traveling that is waterproof, so I can use it in the rain, I could use it in the pool, in the lake, in the ocean, whatever that may be. I have this guy with me always. It's also a backup camera, so in case your first one hits the bed, you have a backup camera on you. This is another essential for me. This is my Box Palma 2 e-reader. This is basically like an iPod Touch, so it works on Wi-Fi. So this is a great thing to have. It works off of Android apps, and I can do a lot of things on this. I can read, I can watch YouTube videos, I can take pictures, I can listen to music, do directions, look up stuff on Google, and most importantly, take notes. This thing is a master at taking notes. And then I have like a little pen to write it down. So basically, it replaces my pocket notebook for the moment while I'm traveling. I just like to keep things a lot thinner, simpler, and compact while it's traveling. The 5th and final essential that you need to have is a backpack, obviously, to carry everything in it, all that you need, all your clothes and whatever goodies you have or choose to bring home. This is a 45-liter bag. This can be a carry-on if needed. It's a soft back, so it is more foldable, compactable, so there's no framing in this. However, really thick padding. It's fun. I got it off of Amazon, so there's that. But yeah, so this is definitely an essential. Everybody needs to have a hiking backpack. Okay, you can fit lots of stuff in here in the crevices and pockets and stuff. Having a backpack is essential to travel. Well, folks, there you have it. The 5 main essentials that I mostly need for traveling. One thing that's been really like pressing me is that like I hate like not bringing my laptop on vacation, mostly because when I come back from vacation I have so much stuff to edit, and sometimes it's split up into multiple videos, so it's just like and it's shot on different cameras, so it's like all kind of clustered everywhere. It's so fun trying to untangle all this stuff. Look at all these video ideas also I have. Like there's so many videos, and literally I don't have enough brain space right now to think about new videos. I need to just worry about like the stuff I'm editing currently and the trip. But all those are video ideas. All of those blue sticky notes. Oh, the lights are flickering. Particularly that one. It's a camcorder vlog. You might be like, well, Lauren, what's the quality on this video? Well, it's, I think it's like a 3.3 megapixel camera. Get wrecked. It's so dope. Don't even come for me. Don't even do it. I mean, look at the zoom. Look at the zoom and the crispiness of the zoom. I'm so done. Who let me have this? Good look, guys. Just my eyes and my nose, you can see. Everything else just disappears.
When you have your scarf, it's just going to be your eyes because we'll pull it up to cover your nose. I wonder how the wind sounds.
Okay, so I found out that I just got a job that I wanted, and it's like traveling and stuff, and super excited. So now we're gonna celebrate, get some red bean bao. I got a job. A job. Rose, I got a job for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We have trapped Rosie in a net system, but she's going crazy after this ribbon. She likes the ribbon, babe. Play with her the ribbon.
Girl, Rosie.
She said she's done.
Good girl, Rosie. Look, this will be here for you to play with all these things, okay? It's your little playpen. Rose.
Really? I don't want to go to work today. But here we go.
We're up with the sun this morning because the views are left ourselves, so can't be.
It's snowing. It's snowing. Ah.